Okay, so let's wait for 1 minute. Let everyone join. Okay, we are going to start now. So I have turned your mics off, everyone. Just wait. We will start. Ashpa, is this your brother?
Yes, sir.
He's fighting with you. He's playing with you or fighting with you or disturbing you?
Sir, he's playing.
Okay, he wants to talk to me, I think.
Hello, bolo. Hello. Hello.
Hello, what is your name?
Jawad. बोलिए. Namu.
Okay, so we have completed the chapter bills, and there is one more exercise in the chapter 13.2. In this, you have to check the bill which is given in the exercise 13.2, this page in your book. Open this page, everyone. Open this page in your books, all of you. This is page number 114, 114. Open the page in your books, all of you. So in this, there is a bill given. The first one is the question has two parts. In the first one, the yellow bill which is painted yellow. It is a bill of ABC departmental store. In this, you have to, there is some calculation mistake. You have to check whether all the calculations are correct or not. So yesterday I told you to check this. Yes, Parth Gupta, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. I am saying that, sir, the mistake is in second one, and sir, the third one, sir, in multiplying, sir, in the first question, sir, in multiplying, the mistakes are there.
Okay, so you all should check all the multiplication. Parth has found some mistakes.
Sir,
Parth has
it will
found some
55.
mistakes in all the
Sir, I am
cases except one or two. In all the multiplication, they have done some mistakes. So you have to find all the mistakes and then make a correct bill. Okay.
Sir, we have to, in all the they all are wrong, or some are wrong.
Some of them are wrong, some are correct. So
Okay,
you
sir.
don't know which are correct and which are wrong. So you have to find mistakes and write the answers in the book. I'm waiting for you all to correct this bill. Write your answer in the book.
Sir, we have to write the answers in chat box or in the book.
In the book.
Okay, sir.
Do the correction in the book and find the right answer. Yes, Parth.
But sir, I have written in the notebook.
No problem if you have done it.
Sir, can you tell me that first 1.5 kg? So, sir, from what I have to multiply?
3/2. 1.5 you will convert this in. This is a mixed fraction. You convert this in an improper fraction. It will become 3/2. Now you multiply 3/2 by 24. You all have done this in the chapter fraction. 3/2 multiplied by 24. So you have done this in fraction. Do this using that method. You have done in the fraction. Yes, Abhiyan.
Second one, it is a mistake.
Yes, in second one also, the second multiplication also there is a mistake.
Yes, sir.
So beta, you all listen to me. You don't have to tell me like this. Don't tell me like this. Do all the corrections in the book first. Do all the corrections first. And then you send your answers. Okay. You post your photographs. Post the photo of your answer in the group. I will check it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, start doing it.
Sir, I was disconnected, so please tell that what are we doing?
Beta, we are doing exercise 13.2. First question
Sir,
we are doing.
have to post it. So, sir, we have to post it in the group.
Yes, you have to post it in the group. So 13.2 exercise, first question we are doing. There is some mistake given in the bill. There is a bill.
Sir, I had done second one I sent you yesterday, but I'm not able to understand first one.
Beta, there are some mistakes in the parts. In some
yes,
parts.
Sir, I know, but I'm not able to check it.
Beta.
577.
Let me speak. So in some portions of the bill, there are some mistakes. You all need to find out those mistakes and then make a correct bill. Make the corrections in the given bill. In the book only you have to do this. Make all the corrections in the book only. And then you post your answer in the group. Okay. Post your answer in the group. So start doing it. Rishika, beta, wait. Let us let others also do it. So I will explain. Wait some time.
Sir, the grand total is 577.
Sir, in the second one of biscuits, quantity is not given.
Second one?
Sir, I want to ask something. Sir, in first three, sir, it is written butter quantity 500 grams. So, sir, cost per unit we will take as kg, or sir, we will take it as gram.
Let
Sir,
me
can
take.
you listen me?
Yeah.
Sir, I am taking third one as kg and my answer is coming rupees.
30.
Rupees. This in the third part, it should be rupees 60 per kg. Cost per unit. Rupees 60
Okay, okay,
per kg.
okay, sir, okay, sir.
So he
Sir,
bought
what
500
we have to
grams.
do in second one? Sir, what we have to do in second one?
Third part of question 1. Third part of question 1.
No, sir, in second question. Question number 2.
Second question में भी same काम करना है. You have to find the mistake. वही काम करना है.
Okay, sir, thank you. Sir, can I send my total grand total on your chat box?
No, beta, you post the picture of your answer in the group.
Sir, can you check my?
Beta, I will check your answers only if you post your answers in the group, not here. Okay, start doing quietly. Do it, all of you. Do it quietly.
Okay, sir.
Okay, those who have done, they can raise their hands. Those who have done, they can raise their hands. Beta, in the app, you need to raise your hand. There is an option of raising your hand. So in the app, you select the option of raising hand. Those who have done. Okay, so some of you have done. Some are still doing. Many are doing. Okay, so those who have done, they please post their answers in the group. We will discuss about the correct answer. Okay, I can see some of you have already posted your answers in the group. Okay, so I will be sharing my screen now. I have intentionally muted you all because there are a lot of students today. All the classes are sitting together. Yes, I am sharing my screen now. All of you, please concentrate.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Beta,
please check my first question.
Beta, I am discussing all the parts. You all need to listen carefully. Okay.
Sir, I understood all the questions.
You all can check your answers. We are discussing the first question. Okay. Don't worry. Whatever you have done, you can check. Okay. We are discussing it. So you can see this bill on my screen. This is the corrected one. Okay. So the mistake is there in the second part. Biscuits, जिसमें दिया हुआ है आपको. The description is biscuits. So how many packets of biscuits he has bought? The customer bought. Mr. Suri. Mr. Suri is the customer. He bought 5 packets of biscuits and the price of each packet is ₹11. So here the mistake is the multiplication is wrong. This is given 65. But actually it should be 5 into 11 should be 55. So first mistake is this. ये कौन है बेटा जरा मुझे नाम बताना. Tell me the name.
Sir, please see.
ये आवाज नहीं निकाल सकते कौन है? Tell me the name.
सर दक्ष मल्होत्रा.
दक्ष बेटा अभी तुम्हारे घर आ रहा हूँ मैं टपक रहा हूँ तुम्हारे घर.
It is Daksh Mehta.
दक्ष मल्होत्रा तुम्हारे घर आ रहा हूँ मैं अभी. रुको सीधे.
Sir, I want to ask something.
हाँ wait. So 55. The first mistake is this. 5 into 11 should be 55, not 65. Second one, you can see here. This is 500 multiplied by 60. Actually, the price is the cost per unit. It is for 1 kg. 1 kg का, please mute yourself everyone. I want all of you to mute yourself. Mute yourself right now, all of you. नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, मैं कर देता हूँ, कोई बात नहीं, मैं दोबारा से म्यूट कर दूँ सबको।
ओके
जो म्यूट कर रहा है मैं उसको रिमूव कर दूंगा अभी मीटिंग से।
not good.
Okay, now this one, जिसमें बटर यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है, बटर वाला जो पार्ट है, थर्ड पार्ट, the cost is ₹60, the cost per unit is ₹60 per kg, यानी कि 1 kg का जो cost है that is ₹60. यहाँ पर the customer Mr. Suri has bought only 500 gram. 500 gram का meaning क्या होता है? What is the meaning of 500 gram? It is equal
Sir,
to
500
kg.
Yes, sir. Sir, 1000 gram is 1 kilo.
yes.
Sir, I wanna ask something.
बेटा have some patience, थोड़ी देर रुक जाओ. Let me explain this. You all should speak only after the teacher has finished explaining. Okay. So this is half kg और 1 kg का प्राइस कितना है? 60 रुपीज. तो हाफ kg का प्राइस कितना होगा? ₹30, not 60. Okay. तो यहाँ पर इन्होंने the shopkeeper has written ₹60. It should be ₹30. Okay. ये एक तो ये mistake हो गया यहाँ पर. Second mistake is this. Understood this one? The second one, all of you. The
Yes,
second
sir.
mistake this one में आ गया.
Yes, sir.
So how you can do
Yes,
it?
yes,
You can multiply 1 upon
Yes, sir.
by 60. You will get ₹30. Okay. Then 3 liters. Cost of 1 liter is oil. Oil का cost क्या है? 1 liter oil cost ₹42. 3 liter का cost क्या होगा? 3 multiplied by 42. It should be 126. It should be 126.
180. Okay, sir.
Whose copy is this? 126. It should be 126. तो यहाँ पर 120 लिखा है, but it should be 126. ये भी गलत है. 125 लिखा है यहाँ पे. It should be 126. So when you add all these, what will be the total? The total will be 297. So this is your correct answer. 297. Okay.
Sir, in this we will multiply 3
I was correct.
You all can see your answers.
Sir, now.
Some of you
I
have.
was correct.
Sir, now 10.
So this is the correct one. This is very clear also. Yeah, this one, the first part is also wrong. 3 upon 2 kgs of 24. This should be 36. ये वाला भी तो गलत है. You who has done that? आपने
Yes,
36
sir.
Sir, this is mine, Adhiraj Sharma. Sir, I
this
want
is
to
correct.
ask this only.
One whole
Sir,
one
I
upon
wanna
2.
ask this one.
It should be 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2 multiplied by 24. It should be 36, not 34.
Yes, sir.
ये भी गलत है. मतलब starting 4 all are wrong. उसके बाद जो last के दो हैं वो दोनों correct हैं. So starting 4 all the multiplications are wrong. Okay.
Yes, sir.
When you add all these, you will get what? What is
Sir,
the final?
309 only.
309
Sir,
only.
309. Yes, sir.
Sir, 309. Yes, sir.
दुनिया भर
No,
की
sir.
गलती करने के बाद आंसर सही मार
No, sir. We will get 299. We will get 299.
299.
Sir, let
So we
me
will
add
get
again.
299.
Okay, 299 will be the correct answer. Okay, got it, all of you?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
The total will be 299. Final total 299. So this is the correct one. The student has not written the final total. It should be 299.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Sir, I forget to write.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, you
Yes, sir.
start doing the second one also. Do the second one also. Correct the second one also.
Sir, I have done and sent it on the.
The second one is
Sir, I had done and sent it on the group.
Sir, I sent it also in the group also.
Sir, I sent it also in the group.
Sir, you can see my.
Just wait. Now listen to me. Some of you have done the second one. I know I can see your answers also on the group. I have my phone. I'm seeing your answers on the group also. So some of you have done the second one and posted the answers. We will wait for 3-4 minutes for others also to do the second one, and then we will move forward. Okay, just wait for 3-4 minutes. Let others also complete. So those who have clearly understood what we are doing in these questions, they can raise their hands if you have understood. Raise their hands in the group, not on the video. Raise your hands in the app. Zoom app में एक option होता है hand raise करने का. So those who have understood, they can raise their hands. Very good. I can see many hands raised. I'm not asking whether you have done or not. मैं ये नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ. I'm asking whether you have understood what we are doing in this question. If you have understood what we are doing in these questions, you can raise your hands. Zoom app में option होता है hand raise करने का. You can select that option if you have understood. So many of you are not raising. That means you have not understood. Okay, lower your hands, all of you. Daksh Mehrotra, what do you want to say?
Sir, that we have to just check that the bill is correct or not.
You have to just check.
Sir, I have done. Sir, I have posted in the group.
Just asking this.
Sir, now can we discuss?
Wait. Daksh, you have to find the mistakes and do the corrections also.
Okay, sir. Sir, can we do the next one? Sir, can we do the next one?
Okay, sorry. Yeah, this is the last question of the chapter. There are only 2 questions in this exercise.
Sir, but I had done that question also.
Okay, just wait. Let others also.
Okay.
Let others complete, then we will discuss.
Okay, sir.
Tanedin Negi, yes, what do you want to say? You are raising your hand.
Sir, there are many students today.
Yes, because all the three sections are combined today.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir, but there are 33. It should be 50 full. If will come.
Okay, now let us discuss the second one. All of you, listen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in the whole question, there is just one mistake. In the whole bill.
Yes,
This
sir.
one is
Yes,
far better than the last
Yes,
one.
sir. There is only one
Sir, in the
mistake.
last one.
The first
The last one, it
Sir,
should be
in the
10.
last one. Yes, sir, it
Last
should be
one,
10.
it should be
Yes,
10,
sir.
and then we have
And
to
the
add
grand
2
total
more,
will be
and then
240.
grand total will be 246.
Yes,
just
sir.
Yes,
the
sir.
grand total is
246. Yes, sir.
246.
Yes, sir. 246.
Last one was too easy.
246.
okay, beta. Let me explain. When there are so many students, I think you all speak at the same time, which creates a lot of disturbance. All the three sections जब combine होते हैं, so it becomes a little difficult. Don't worry. So this is your second question. I have shared my screen. You can see it on my screen. This is far better than the first one. First one जो था वो तो मुझे लग रहा था कि the shopkeeper was very weak in maths. I hope you all will never be like him. आप लोगों की मैथ्स बहुत अच्छी होगी. I hope in future if you have your showroom, some kind of मतलब there is a mall. I hope you all must be an owner of big mall in some metro city. So billionaire, millionaire people you all will be. So you should have good maths for that. So जो last वाला shopkeeper था वो तो कभी तरक्की नहीं करेगा life में. His maths is very weak. This one is better, but still he has done some mistake. So there is a mistake in the last part of the question. This is correct. 3 into 14 is 42, correct. 4 into 17 is 68, again correct. 6 into 21 is 126. This is also correct. So 1 cup of tea is ₹5. 1 cup tea costs ₹5, and 2 cups of tea should cost ₹10. And by mistake, the shopkeeper has written ₹8. So it should be ₹10. And when you finally total this, you will get ₹246. So this is your final answer, ₹246. And these two are the corrections. There is a mistake in the total, and there is a mistake in the multiplication of the fourth part. Okay, these are the two mistakes. Okay, so have you all understood?
Sir, please show the screen again.
Show the screen again. लीजिए sir. You can see the screen again.
Sir, my answer was correct.
Very good.
Sir, my answer. My answer was also.
Sir, my answer is also correct.
Both of them. Also correct.
Sir, both of them were correct.
Sir, my answer is also correct.
Very good.
Yes, sir. My also both of them were correct.
Sir, my both answers were correct.
Okay. Okay, so all of you have checked your answers. Very good. So,
Sir,
from
my
tomorrow,
both answers were correct.
Yes, sir, I have checked.
I don't have another period in 5th B today. I have two periods, one period left in class 5A and 5C today. So we will start new chapters in those periods.